You're right guys, today I'm going to show you step by step exactly how I made $4,000 on one single trade. And if you too are looking at becoming funded and consistently profitable in 2025, then this video is for you. This right here is the US 500. We're currently looking at the 15-minute chart. The first thing that we need to identify is our directional bias. So you can see right here, we've got the 50, the 100, and the 200 exponential moving average applied to our charts. So right here you can see this green one is the 50, this blue one is the 100, and this red one's the 200 EMA. So when they're all in order like this indicates to us as a trader that we are long bias on this market. That means that we're only looking for longs. The momentum on this market is to the upside. Because remember guys, our job as a trader is to trade with the trend. And you're always going to make more money by trading with the trend than trying to fight it and go counter trend. Okay, so I'm just going to remove the EMAs, but please keep in the back of your mind that we are long bias on this market. Okay guys, now you tell me, where is the sell side liquidity resting on this market? Okay, great. So you should have said below the Asia session low right here. So we have sell side liquidity resting below here in the form of sell stops, in the form of stop losses. So what we can clearly identify is this is your accumulation. What we need to see is some sort of manipulation, and then we can look at taking part in the distribution phase. So how this would look is price would run and manipulate like so, and then we can look for a potential entry to get long during the distribution phase within the market. You can see right here during the London kill zone, we've started to manipulate price to the downside. And what this move right here is doing is literally trapping retail traders, thinking that this is a breakout and enticing them short within the market. And what you need to do is reverse engineer how retail see the market. They see this as a breakout. We see this as manipulation. And at the end of the day, this running of sell side liquidity is literally just institutions grabbing orders, and then they will use these orders for fuel in order to move the market in the intended direction. So let me just zoom in for you guys right here. And all that we're simply looking for now is a bullish confirmation during the London kill zone. For anyone that's new here, the London kill zone is between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. UTC -5. That is New York perspective. The Asia session is from 7 p.m. until 12 o'clock midnight. So now we're simply waiting for a bullish confirmation during this London kill zone. You can see that's exactly what we get right here. So we've ran the liquidity and we've now confirmed with a bullish confirmation. We can enter on the break of this candle high with invalidation below the liquidity sweep and then simply target a 1 to 2 risk to reward. Please note as well, we do also have buy side liquidity resting above the Asian session high. So this would be an ultimate target at a 1 to 3. But remember guys, this market owes us absolutely nothing. So you need to be patient. And you know, there's going to be some times where you get a confirmation, but you still don't get an entry. And it's on days like that where you need to be extremely patient and sit on your hands. So you can see we're triggered long right here. And now it's just a waiting game. Either we take profit for a 1 to 2 or we're stopped out for a -1. There's no in between, there's no micromanaging, there's literally no trade management. And that is the beauty of this strategy, guys. It's fully mechanical and it's fully rule based. So we're triggered in and let's see. So during the New York session, this trade smashes take profit for a 1 to 2. And you can see ultimately the external range liquidity was ran up at the Asian high right here. So whether you bank a 1 to 2, that is absolutely fine. Or whether you run this to a 1 to 3, they're also absolutely fine. Now let's just zoom out slightly, and you know, we have external range liquidity also up at these macro highs right here. And I'm not going to say that, you know, you're always going to catch trades like this where they run like a 1 to 7, okay? And to be honest, I don't even really recommend that. What I recommend is like a 1 to 2 in and out of the market. And you know, I know that may sound quite crazy because you can see in this example, price ran like a 1 to 7 up at these highs. But I can assure you, if you backtest this strategy over and over again, you'll find that the optimal risk to reward is around 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. So yes, someone could show you this trade here going like a 1 to 7, but that would not be honest of me because I took profits at a 1 to 2, and that is what I always preach on this channel. Lock in your profits, bank your profits, and then move on to the next trade. We're not trying to hit a home run every single time. We're looking at taking repeatable, small, bite-sized pieces out of the market over and over again. So this is the exact trade that made me $4,000. And if you want to learn more about this trading strategy, then make sure to join the free Discord. The link is in the description down below. I personally share setups like this, and you can also get access to my free course. As always, if you guys have any questions, drop them down below.